Hello and welcome to the Fix-It Shed. This week I've got a toaster, and my mother-in-law said it stopped working a couple of weeks ago, and I'm pretty sure she'd probably like it back soon. So we're going to take a look at it and see if I can fix it, or is it toast?
Alright, so I've got the toaster plugged in, and basically it doesn't do anything. If you hold it down, it doesn't heat up, it doesn't stay down. It's kind of dead in the water. So let's see what it looks like underneath. Looking at the bottom of it, it doesn't even really have any screws or anything. It's got these little twisted pieces of metal here, which I guess you have to untwist in order to get the bottom off. So let me get some pliers and we'll do that. Alright, let's get that out of the way. And let's give these a twist. I have unplugged it, by the way. Alright, let's see if that gets us anything. I was gonna say not really. There it goes. Whew. Really? There's screws underneath the feet. That's what's holding it together. We're in. So this is the main contact here. Boom. You press that down, turns it on. Those two contacts look like they're doing what they're supposed to do. I don't see any burned out electronics on the board. Actually, if you look down, I don't know if you can see or not, these contacts right down in here, they look a little burnt. I wonder if they're not making good contact anymore. The odds of that board coming out. There's a little tab holding that in place. There. Now I can get it out. I'm gonna get a little sandpaper or something, see if I can clean off those points. What do you think? Was that it? I don't see anything else. So I also took it and I blew out the crumbs with my air gun. What do you think? Let's try that. See where we're at. See if it's worth putting back together. No, it's not getting hot. You do get a blue flicker down here though. So those contacts are making contact, but it's not heating up. So let's get the side panel off. Everything looks fine there. How about this side panel? Oh, I gotta get that back out of the base. There. How about this side? There we go. I don't see anything especially interesting on that side either.
So, this is toast. Whoa, 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 hey! So while this isn't fixable, I'm gonna scavenge some parts off of it and recycle what I can. So I've got this broken down into 4 piles. The plastic piles that I'm probably just gonna end up throwing away, electronics recycling pile, scrap metal pile, and some parts that I'm gonna keep, spring. You can always use a good cord. You know, some screws and the rubber feet are always good too. I always keep some empty peanut butter jars around for putting in loose parts. can I? Alright, well, thanks for watching the Fix It Shed. Sorry we weren't able to fix something this time, but if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Take care. I've been watching too much Dude Perfect.